session today. And before we begin, I have some information for you. And I'm going to be reading it to make sure that I cover everything.
Okay.
So since you volunteered for this study, you probably already have a good idea of why you are here. But let me just go over it all again briefly. So I've asked several participants to review a newly created business office unit website. So I'd like to see if it works as intended, and the session should take anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes. So the first thing I want to make clear right away is that we're testing the site and not you, and you can't do anything wrong. In fact, this is the one place where you don't have to worry about making any mistakes.
Okay.
So as you use the site, I'm going to ask you as much as possible to think out loud, say what you're looking at, what you're thinking, what you're trying to do, your feelings, or any questions, and it'll be a big help to me. And also, don't worry that you're going to hurt my feelings, because I'm doing this to improve the site. So I need to hear honest reactions. I need your feedback.
Okay.
And if you have any questions as I go along, just ask them. I might not be able to answer you right away because I'm interested in how you're going to do, if you don't have anybody to help you, where you're going to go without me telling you where to go. And then, but if you still have questions when we're all done, I'll do my best to answer your questions. We can go back and we can address it.
Okay.
And then, so the consent for this study to be both screen and audio recorded is next to you. And I wanted to go over it with you to see if you have any questions. Basically, a consent is required because this is an authorized study through the University of Hawaii. And I actually had to complete an application for it.
Okay.
So if you agree to participate in the project, I'd like to have you sign and date it on the signature page and return it to me. That's if you don't have any questions.
No.
Okay. There's one more. There's two. One is for voice and one is for screen.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to cover both. Okay, great. Thank you for doing that. Okay, so now let's proceed.
Okay.
Again, if you have any questions as I go along, just ask them. And since our session's only 45 minutes and there's no break scheduled, however, if you need one, don't hesitate to ask us. We'll just put it on pause and we'll come back and finish this when you're ready.
Okay.
So do you have any questions so far?
Nope.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start screen share. If you take the mouse and come over to the left hand area, and the green button is the screen share. And what we're going to do is you're going to click on the right box that says Business Office Unit.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
So this is the home page it's a mock-up of the UH Maui College Admin Services Business Office Unit website. So please feel free to explore the page as you normally would, but you can scroll around with your mouse. Just don't click on anything yet. And I'm going to ask you a couple questions as you scroll around and explore.
Okay. Well, I like that the colors match the logo. Am I talking out loud now?
Okay. I like it.
Okay,
yeah.
Good. I like how the boxes are easy to read. They're not small. And hovering over each link is a menu. Easy to read. Academics. Forms. There's nothing under forms. Okay, see for P-card. I think forms would be good too. If it had a listing. Because I don't know what it means. If it's like 95, 65. That would be good because I have to keep going into the KFS.
Excellent. I like that. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. Have you seen this website before?
No.
Okay, thank you for that. So please give me your initial impression about the layout of the page and the colors. You said something about the colors, the graphic, and the photos.
Okay. The photo looks outdated. I don't know if it's an old picture or the camera, but maybe a little closer up picture. The parking lot makes it look outdated. The fonts, I like. It's easy to read. Coloring, yes, it matches throughout. The flow is good. I like the search box because I often use a search box when I can't find it. Like say this form 95, I would put in there. The mission. Okay, basically skipping over and just reading the bold.
Yes.
That's what I.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm. Right.
So yeah.
Okay. Without clicking on anything yet,
Okay.
whose website is this?
Business office.
Okay. And who do you think this site is intended for?
By the looks of the links, I would say it's staff members.
Thank you. What do you think the purpose of this site is?
Again, with the links, and what it is to help us. It's everything is being in one on the first page to help us get all of the documents that we needed to move forward with our daily tasks. Everything is in one. Goodness, what is this word I'm looking for? It's all in one website. We can get everything that we need: the forms, information, APMs, the travel. I see all those documents.
Excellent. Thank you for that. Okay, so without clicking on anything yet, please describe the options you see on the homepage and what you think they do. And you said a few of those already.
By not touching anything.
Yeah, without clicking. So
Okay.
I mean, you could, yeah.
So for like the cashiers. Oh, good. I see transcript requests.
Mhm.
I have to always go down there to request.
Right. Very good.
I like parent procedures. I like a lot of the procedures and policies that is on here.
Good.
P-card is good because usually I have to look through a book that I was given to see if anything qualifies or what we're not supposed to purchase.
Okay.
The procurement, I see quality on here, so that's a good one. Good link.
Okay.
Vendors, I would like to know what vendors is about. The revenue generating program, I'm not too sure. I don't know if this extramural. I would have to look into that one. Travel is good. Lodging, oh, good. So a lot of it is in one place. We don't have to go to different addresses to find something.
Right. Very good. Okay. My next question is, if you were allowed to explore, what would you click on first?
More of what I need would be probably procurement.
Procurement. Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you for that. And that took you 5 minutes. That's good. And I just do timing just to kind of see what's easy, what's difficult, because everybody has a different level of comprehension.
Okay.
All right. So that was task 1. Okay. And we're going to go on to task 2. And right now I'm going to give you 5 minutes, and 5 minutes isn't that much, but I'm going to give you 5 minutes to freely explore this website. You can go anywhere you want, and just remember to think and speak aloud as you do. I'm going to tell you when the 5 minutes are up, and so I'm going to look at the time, and it's 1:01. So at 1:06.
Okay. So you want me to say out loud what I'm pressing on? Okay. So I'm going to go to procurement. Okay. And I'm going to go into vendors. Okay. So what I see, vendors, vendor training, and manual references. Creating of your video. Oh, okay. So is this how to division? Wait, online tutorials. Oh, tutorials. That's great. Vendor tips, adding attachments and creating new vendor. That I just had to look through that huge book.
Excellent. Yeah,
because I needed to add a vendor in. So that's good. I like this. It's all electronic. There's, I see sole source. Okay, is this how-tos? Let's see, sole source procurement. Okay, it's kind of wordy. Not sure where I'm going. Sole source procurement, this type of procurement. Okay, well, that's good. Now I can see what that is for. The requirements. Yeah, okay, I see that. That is good. Form 95. Okay, so this has everything to do with the sole source. How to do it, what you need. Okay, that's perfect. Also interested in the forms. Okay. Wow, it's all in one place. I like that. Transcript ordering for an additional 225. Oh, I didn't know that. You can order 225 processing fee for online. Oh, awesome. That's good to know. Good information. Yeah. I'm also looking if there is a Commerce Point link, which I don't see. I don't know if that should be in here. Travel. Okay. Clicked on travel, everything came up. Let's see. Oh, there's Misty's name. Good. I like that. Should have a link to her email. Yeah, that would be good. Yeah, you link her email in here.
Okay.
That'd be cool. Extramural office. Yes. Fiscal link or series fiscal name. Let's see. Okay, takes us straight to our CUH. Subpages. Does that mean that it's linked to it? Creating a travel link? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, good. A manual. Okay. I'll check out PCAR. Sorry, this it's backwards for mine.
Sensitive, yeah.
Okay, 24 limits, yes. Let's see, application. I like all the links, and I think just for the first time seeing it, it's not overwhelming, but you know, once my eyes get used to where they are, I think it's really good. I like it though. UHP card, administrative procedures. Oh, that's good. So I don't have to keep calling up D or fiscal
for the AP.
Yeah. Uh-oh, cannot find. What's that? Wait, what happened? Let me just get out.
Then you gotta press OK to get that window out, and then
this one.
Yeah,
or this one.
You can,
that one.
Yeah,
Okay.
can go. And then you can, yeah. Oh, you can. Yeah, and then there you go. Okay, so that's that was on the AP, yeah.
Yeah.
That you got stuck.
On the administrative procedures.
Stuck off site. I'm gonna make sure I fix that.
Okay. Cashiers. Let's see what's in cashier. Hours of operation. That is good to know. Because of our window. Our window stays open. The staff window, yeah.
Yeah.
Open.
Yeah, the staff window stays open.
Hours, office phone. They don't have a email though, yeah.
Oh, no email. Let's see. There you go.
Oh. Yes, it's very simple. Oh, there it is. I see. Debit cash. That's good. A lot of good information. A lot of details I like. So this can pertain to some students too, like especially if you're a student and staff, yeah. That'd be good. Okay, good. Where's my time on?
Okay. Thank you for that. Okay, so you did a great job. So if you could, let's go back to the business office unit home page. And I'm going to ask you a few specific tasks. I'm going to read each one out loud. I'm going to ask you to do these tasks without using the search feature, which will take you straight to it. And that way I would learn a lot more about how well the site is, put together, or if there's things that I could do differently or change to help the route, speed up the route or speed up the understanding better. So I'm going to give you the first one. And so task 3 is your department has asked you to purchase a coffee machine. The only information that you're told is that the type of coffee machine they would like you to purchase is going to cost approximately $4,500. So using this website, determine whether or not it contains information that guides you and gives you directions of what you need to complete this task.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I don't know if it's 4,500. What task? I would go straight to a website to find specs.
Okay.
Is that what I'm doing here?
You could. And so because your experience with this kind of things, the website that you would go to might be available
Okay.
here. And so
Okay.
knowing that, yeah,
Okay.
that you need to purchase something that's $4,500, what you're doing is you're just looking to see does this
Oh, what do I have to do?
website,
Oh, okay.
help guide you to tell you maybe possibly the steps you need to take.
Oh, okay. Okay. So for $4,500, let's see.
Okay, wait, talk out loud.
Okay. Not sure what I'm looking for. I know I would see $3,500,
Okay.
which I see our series connected to that.
Mm-hmm.
125 tuition. Okay, doesn't pertain to that, all right?
Okay.
Okay,
And
so here, look. Okay, go. Okay, so what I do is state procurement office. I know that we have contracts, right? And I do know that we do have a contract with Xerox. This one.
well, what does it say?
So sorry. A source selection.
Does that help you?
Okay. Source selection. Okay. So here I am at the Office of Fiscal and Administrative Affairs. Okay, this is new to me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Keep going backwards on this mouse. Deadline news. Okay. Okay, so it's identifying the proper method. Source. Okay, so I'll check the vendor list. Okay. I'm not too familiar with SPO.
Okay. All right.
Usually I would go look for.
And you know what I forgot to tell you is that when you feel you've completed this task or you're at a point where you're satisfied or whether unsatisfied or you're done, you just let me know and then we can move on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I would say I would normally look for specs and then put it in super cool or Commerce Point or like we're renewing our copier, so I'm meeting with Arnold.
Oh yes.
Yes. But this would be good for me because I need to know this.
Yes.
Okay, so look in here. There's an ASPO. Okay. So I would look through this list for copy machines. Anything to do with printing. Okay. Yeah.
The SPO list, yeah.
That is awesome. Okay.
Okay, great.
All right.
Good job.
Good.
Thank you for that. So task number 4 is you have a purchasing card issued to you by business office and you need to purchase a computer monitor for your office. However, you're not sure whether or not this is an approved purchasing card purchase.
Okay.
So using a website, determine whether or not it contains the information you need to know to complete your task. And when you feel you've completed a task, just say so. Or if you're at a standstill or whatever it is, just let me know.
Okay. Yeah. So P card. Going into P card, and I would like to know. Let's see. P card allowable? No. I'm looking for something that will tell me about our guidelines. Coordinates, other.
The tab is actually a
Oh, wrong one.
homepage. Actually,
Oh, just go here.
the
Okay.
tabs are
Okay. So here would be right in here.
it could be there or on the sub pages, whichever one you choose to go to.
Okay, I'm gonna look here. Okay, so download it very quickly. Purpose, what is it? Food, purchasing cards. So I'm looking through the. Is this the APMs?
8.266.
Mm-hmm. Do you want me to look through it or?
You can. It's what you're looking for is
A computer monitor.
computer monitor.
Looks like I would have to go through all this, yeah. There's no legend or what do you call telling me what's in here.
Right.
Parsing, procedure. So I don't see any electronic type of so far.
Mm-hmm.
Oh gosh, I lost my place.
Sensitive, yeah.
Yeah.
Sensitive mouse.
Okay. So this is where I want to be. Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, past and voting responsibilities. I'm probably going the long way. I'm sure that there's a shortcut to this.
Because the APs are so lengthy.
They are.
Yeah.
They're very lengthy.
And they're provided for the general concept of having a policy. But yeah, subpages were created to help.
Yeah. Maybe I'm going to get out of here. This is taking me a while to go through it. I'll go back.
Okay.
And then here, card limits, forms. Okay, from here, I don't know which one I would choose. Okay. I would think P card allowable, but it says travel after that. If we have P card allowable purchases. Okay. And then
roles and responsibilities, maybe.
Okay, let's try this. Okay. Oops. Okay, it's telling me that, but where do I find what is allowable? Violations. I didn't go here? No? I don't know at this point.
Okay. No problem. Thank you for that. That's fine. So, okay, so task 5.
Okay.
You're required to travel to a neighbor island for 2-day meeting. You're going to need access to and be able to complete the travel documents for this task. And so using this website to determine whether or not it has information you need to guide you in your task successfully. And so when you feel you've completed what you need to do, or you found what you need to find, or you can't find what you're looking for, just say so.
Okay. Okay. So I need e-travel for this. So I'm gonna go to travel. And I'm assuming I bought my tickets and everything?
I'm not sure.
Okay, well, let's see what we have here on this page. Hawaiian airline link? No. Ukulele or anything? No. Travel guide? Okay. Oh, am I supposed to be like a new employee?
You could be.
Okay. If I was a new employee, I'd go to travel guide. Let's see
Okay.
this travel guide. Okay. So, okay. So before the trip, creating a user profile. Yeah. Okay. Oh, so this is from the very beginning, right? When you want to create a profile, or if your secretary is doing it for you. Okay. Justification. Perfect. What I need. 3 signatures. Very clear of what I need to do. Travel. Advance is given out. Okay. Good. Airfare receipt. Okay. So I need to get my airfare with proof of payment. All my receipts, what I need, okay, to submit my travel doc. Oh, disallowed. That's good.
Right.
We don't want to do those things. Okay, personal time. All good information. FAQs for travel. Okay. Good. It does have everything I need. What I need to. There's the e-travel website. Nice. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
At the top.
Right here. Yeah. I like
Mhm.
that. Oh, awesome. Okay. And then I would go ahead, log in, and start my
Start your
document.
document.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Goes. Awesome.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you for that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, hey, you have completed the task. I just have a couple more questions for you. General questions. Did you have any suggestions to improve some of those tasks?
I do the procurement one for sure.
Okay.
If there was a list of allowable P-card transactions that we
Okay.
can, just handy instead of going through that
Yes.
whole APMs. The forms, maybe a list of forms that is easily accessible instead of going into each, especially for people who know what we want.
Mm-hmm.
It's just right there handy for us.
Can you show me what
the forms here?
Okay.
Well, maybe there's not a drop down box. That's why. But yes, it's all right here when I click on it.
So when you're saying forms description, when you hover, you want a
Yes.
description. Okay.
Yeah.
Hover. Okay.
It's just more clicks, clicking here, clicking there, and
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
But yeah. Or maybe like the most used forms be hovered when you list here. When you hover over the forms, the mostly used forms or something.
Mostly used.
Which is a
For
lot.
which department?
I know. Yeah, that's true. Okay. Or we can have forms 4. Oh, it's just because when I was hovering over this, I liked how everything was clearly identified.
And you
what's
see
in
how there are like if you go to Picard, it has its own set,
Yeah, I see.
but it's actually in 2 places.
Yeah, okay. That's good. More than one place.
So for the other tasks, do you have suggestions to improve?
No, they're pretty self-identifying. You can identify what is what.
Okay. And then, so what are your overall impressions about the website?
I like it. It's very modernized. You know, there's a lot of the tiles used, fonts. It's more. It's not. Oh, how would you say? It's not. I'm trying to think of the website, the operating system, like for XP,
Yes.
how everything is condensed.
Yes. Yeah.
And it's so hard to read. But I like this how when you go through it, it's not as wordy as it seems. You know, you have the titles that is clearly labels what's under there and what's offered. Everything has its own home. The cashier, purchasing, travel. I like how everything is clearly identified.
Okay.
The important stuff is bolded, which catches your eye. Like, oh, okay. That's where I want to go.
That is good. Okay. 3 things you like best about the website.
A lot of links that will take me direct to where I need to go.
Okay.
The coloring, I like the background, the blues, how it really stands out. And the font, it's easy to read.
Okay. What's the size?
The size is pretty good. Maybe one smaller I would go.
Okay. I actually increased it with
Oh, okay.
because if you click here, you can actually increase your page size, and I just did that so it would be easier for some people to read.
Mhm.
Size one smaller. Okay, so 3 things you like least about the website.
Um, let's see. It's, I don't know if I would say two-dimensional. There's two colors throughout.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe using a different color to break it up. Let's see, updating the picture.
Where would you use that different color? Just curious.
Um,
How would
I don't know if I would go like
implement it?
one color for cashier, one color for purchasing, and one color for travel, or breaking it up in departments. Maybe that way, or I would think maybe that way, because everything is like blue,
Mm-hmm.
and it goes all that way. It goes all straight left and right.
Okay.
Um, I'm just nitpicking. I'll
Yeah,
say the picture.
do it.
The picture.
Okay, good. Do it. Yeah.
And then adding Misty's email.
Okay.
She might not like that, but
Actually, I did. I just didn't link it.
oh, you did it. Oh,
Yeah. But I mean, I
That'd
could
be a
link.
good
I gotta
link.
link it. It's another link,
Mm-hmm.
which is good. Okay. So now that you're done, do you have any questions for me?
When will it go live, or will it go live?
Yeah. So what we're doing is you're in round 1, which is 4 participants,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'm going to take all the feedback. I'm going to make changes and research the things that you folks have asked for and so forth. And then in 1 week, and then the following week, I'm doing 4 more interviews, the same questions with the improved site to see if the changes I've made lead to shorter time, quicker, and better responses.
Good.
Yeah. And then once that's done, by April, I actually have a conference I have to present at. The results and the data and so forth.
Wow.
And once it's approved by my admin staff, I hope to roll it out. And
Nice.
whether or not I'm going to work with John and see if he wants to link it, or if I can populate WordPress with the information and create the categories and go in, because I'm familiar with WordPress as well. But for now, I just created this mock-up just to have something. Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
You're excited?
It's excited. Yeah.
Yeah. It's something I see we need.
So be integrated into our UHMC.
Yeah. So what we'll do is let's go to Mozilla and stop our broadcast. And that'll be to the right. Yeah. And then we can just stop broadcast.